Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble this omnidirectional Beyblade launcher. So in order to show you how to assemble this, we need to take this thing apart first. So just let's take this battle pass and launcher, and there are 5 screws holding this thing together. Okay. Okay, so you need to take note about this. So the thing that's holding this bigger gear here in place is the screw that I placed in the middle. So this lower part of the launcher is the screw hole version, the one that you downloaded. There's a screw hole in here, so you need to use something like a screw to put here in the hole, so it would hold this part in place. Okay, let me show you this the screw. So this is the screw that's holding this bigger gear. So the size is, let's see, it should be around 6 millimeters, 6 millimeters, and diameter is just 2 millimeters, 2 or 3 millimeters. So again, this is the screw that holds this bigger part here. Okay, so if you assemble the launcher that you downloaded, you're gonna need like 6 screws in all, 5 seam screws, then one different screw here. Okay. So when you assemble this, you need to take apart a launcher that looks like this, a simple launcher, and you need to take everything inside, like these gears, these parts, and also this one, the latch that goes to the with the Beyblade. But you need to leave this part here. You don't really need this white part here, and also this one, the thing that's holding the latch. Okay, you don't need these parts. So all you need are the gears, and this one, the pin, and the cap here, and also this latch, and the parts inside this. So the other parts, you don't really need this. So let's assemble this again. Then battle pass.